Hi, welcome to my channel about physiotechnic, robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my Arduino boards, Arduino Mega2560, Mega80K and the Uno, connected like this. And this one has a multimeter applied to it to measure the voltage, which is determined by the spot meter. And here is the connection to the computer for data acquisition, data reading actually, and that works with Java while the boards are programmed in C. And processing the data that I then receive happens with Fortran, R, and lately with Python as well. How the data is being captured is a problem. I've written a script last time, and how that goes in reality, in practice, remains to be seen. So I'm going to acquire a new set of data with varying the pot meter and then see how the rest goes, because not everything is as smooth as I would like. Anyway, for that I turn to screencast. With camera view, full schematics in fletching, ADK 2560 and the Uno, and this is the real exact wiring with a physiotechnic motor and the multimeter depicted here. Arduino environment for only the 2560, Java for reading the input from the board, Fortran, as well as R, as well as Python. But as I said, I need new data, so I'm going to run this file and see whatever comes from it. Next thing is locating the actual set of data. This is from today and that sounds good now, or looks good anyway. Let's see about the contents. Yeah, and that is no good at all. So I'm quitting this file and then I have to run the filter. Let's see how this works out to a CSW file, because that is what I need. For this one I need the text, and for this one let's see how this works out. And that's about it. Into a CSW file, which is where? In the same directory. And that, it is a CSV file now, but the rubbish hasn't gone, not at all even. So I have to edit it. But also, the edited.txt is another thing. So this is one thing, but if I go one single line further, this is an old one, and this is the edited text that I'm using here. So now the question is, which one should I use? This one is using the edited text, this one is using the edited text, and this one is, I think, the edited text as well. Then I'll have to edit the text, really. Now, to add some confusion, this is the result from the filter file, which I have here, where I've made a mistake, by the way, because it is not a CSW file, it's a CSV file, so I have to correct that. Apart from that, this is a file like I should get. However, it is garbage after all, because this is the same, this file has this contents. But there are lines that don't make sense. This line can go, this line can go, all the blanks can go. Then here, pi question mark is rubbish. So although there is quite a bit of good stuff, there's also bad stuff. Here, time is entirely missing. So that's a question. Where should I add it? Anyway, I made a filter, but it's not quite alright. So I have to edit things by hand. It should look like this. This I can do away with, and this I'll have to edit by hand. That's going to take some time. So now I've edited the new data file according to this standard, and it is remarkable that mostly the Uno and the potmeter Mega2560 lack time and the number. So what I want to do for a moment, see if I can get it done anyway, right here, drawing down, pulling up, and see, this is exactly what I want to show. Here it is correct, here it is not correct, and this potmeter is never correct. This is 600 lines, but I need only 25 in my code. But 600 is the least I can get without having problems. But it is a problem. And why? Why is this never read or right? I have no clue. Anyway, I have to save this in a new file, new edit file. So what I'm going to do is make this for last time. So this is May 2nd of May. So I'll move this one. Yes, now it's alright. Now I can write this one, and I give it just this file name. Alright. Now I can run all data, all of R, Python and Fortran. So with this part of the done, let's run the Fortran. And more specifically, what is this? Potmeter M. This is rubbish. Why is this cut short? This cut short is no good. Alright. R. And this is only slightly better. Although here these texts are completely alright after I edited anything. Then finally Arduino which will replace this one, by the way. So what is this telling me? Alright. It does look alright. However, main question is now, why are Uno and potmeter Mega2560 come out as garbage? This is what is programmed, and this is what is read, what is being read. Time is. This is time. Oh wait, see, what you see is what you get. Time is lacking. Time is lacking completely. So yeah, analog, that is the point. Time, and for Uno, time is there. So that is not a reason for the Uno to miss time. But for pot meter it was the reason. So I really have to reprogram this one and do it again. Upload done to this board specifically, the 2560, and one time to read the raw data, which tells me that time is here but lacking for Uno, while for the Uno there is time. Oh, but not here. Ah, that's the reason. Right. So I am correcting this once again. Done uploading. Once again. Run for 600 entries. There we are. Right, stop. Are we there now? Time. Time. It seems that I've got the culprit finally. Once and for all, that remains to be seen. Edited. Alright, this was wrong data anyway. So quit. And let's see how this looks in the end. This part, this first line is still garbage. This line is garbage. Garbage. This looks good. But has to be edited big time. That is something for a different time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Leave a comment or suggestion please, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. Please visit my website, which is listed under the video, to find more interesting projects on fish technique and embedded systems and robotics, of course. This is going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.